Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how PayPal low-code integration works. Alright, let's begin. Integrating payments into a website has never been easier, and PayPal's new low-code integration builder is a game changer. In the past, integrating payment providers into e-commerce sites was complicated. But now with PayPal, you can integrate it into any website and start receiving payments in just a few minutes. The documentation is incredibly user-friendly, allowing even those without extensive coding experience to set up simple integrations with powerful features. To get started, log in to your PayPal developer account. Once you're logged in, navigate to Tools, then select Integration Builder. From here, you will see two options: Standard Checkout and Advanced Checkout. Standard Checkout allows PayPal payments with various customer payment methods, including debit and credit card payments through Guest Checkout. If you need more customization, go for Advanced Checkout. If you're integrating PayPal with platforms like BigCommerce, WooCommerce, or Wix, you can follow step-by-step guides for each. Once you choose your payment methods, select your payment model, either one-off or subscription, then choose a design layout. I recommend the vertical layout for a clean look. Next, choose a button style and follow the instructions to configure the code. Test everything using the sample credentials, and when satisfied, simply copy the code into your file. After testing, you're all set. So that's basically how PayPal's low-code integration works. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.